Haomei Industrial is a famous factory with more than 10 years experience. We mainly focus on color-coated aluminum coil, painted aluminum sheet, used in roofing, ceiling, curtain wall, shutter, gutter, trailer, channel letter, number plates and home decoration. Haomei Aluminum has total annual production capacity of 200,000 metric ton, equipped with coating line and slitting equipment. Let's see the production process. Aluminum coil decoiler. Tension leveler. Then alkaline cleaning. Now the aluminum coil is clean without oil. It goes into coating room. Coating. Flotation curing oven. Reinforce the coating. Temperature set between 300 to 500 degrees Celsius. Tension leveler. Quality control. Exit accumulator. Recoiler. High quality and low price are our advantages. Hope we have opportunity of cooperation with you.